7th of September. So far, it has completed 62 kilometers in Tamil Nadu, 355 kilometers in Kerala. 2 states have been completed. So far, after 26 days, we have completed 2 states and we have entered the 3rd state of Karnataka, where in the last 3 days we have completed 66 kilometers. The total Padayatra length in Karnataka will be 511 kilometers. On the 18th of October, the Bharat Jodo Yatra will enter Kurnool district of Andhra Pradesh at Alur and will walk for about 95 kilometers from Alur to Mantralayam. And after Mantralayam, the Bharat Jodo Yatra will re-enter Karnataka for a few days, after which it will come to Telangana for about 13 days. The Bharat Jodo Yatra will spend 4 days in Kurnool district. We are walking on an average 21 kilometers every day. The walk is from the morning 6:30 till 10 o'clock and in the evening from 4:30 to 8 o'clock. This is the broad details of the Bharat Jodo Yatra. We spent 3 days in Tamil Nadu, 18 days in Kerala. We will be spending 21 days